But I think this is a story that plays back to your investor time horizon, where you are, and really just understanding that obviously a lot of these semis, they power many of the things that we do. So the business model for NVIDIA, the business model for the Qualcomms of the world, these are names that are just long-term holds for me. So I'm not in and out of these names, and I know they have a cyclical tilt, and that plays into some of the volatility as well. But for me, I'm not going to do anything here with NVIDIA and some of the other chips that I own, but I could understand the points, and I think they're well taken.
Joe, you wrap it up with AMD because you own it, right? And as Steph said, I don't know how you could come away from that quarter with any better feeling of what's happening with AMD and the job that Lisa Su is doing there. Nonetheless, the market votes, right? And the market is going to do what it's going to do. Or what are you doing with the stock?
I'm holding AMD. It's in Joe T. I own it personally. I love the valuation. I love the growth and the market share in computer processors. And I think overall, I like Jason's comments when he's thinking about semiconductors here. Active management's coming back, and the semiconductor industry is the exact place where you have to be active. You have to be tactical. We sold Joe T. We sold Micron out of Joe T the other day. So there are semiconductors named that I don't think you want to own here. Intel, certainly one of them after listening to AMD's report and seeing their earnings last week. I think it's idiosyncratic. It's all about which single stock you might want to own. I own NVIDIA and I own AMD. I'm going to stay with them.
All right, coming up, as the Fed takes center stage, CNBC pulled our stock contributor.